Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to install Ansible on CentOS, and in the next video we'll see how to work with Ansible. So Ansible installation is pretty easy. What you have to do is you have to first download the EPL package RPM, which will by installing that it will create EPL repo for you. And as this is CentOS 7, we'll download the EPL package for CentOS 7 and do install that. After installing the EPL RPM, you will be able to install the Ansible. As I have already installed the Ansible on this machine, I'll just show you how to install it, and it will say us that it is already installed, and I have the updated version, that is 2.8, and I'll just show you how to install it. So basically you have to keep in mind that Ansible involves three things. One is your control machine, second is your destination machine which you want to manage, and third is you have to have a playbook, or you can pass on the ad hoc commands to manage your Ansible destination machines. So this is my control machine where the Ansible is installed, and Ansible works on SSH, so you don't have to install any other agent for Ansible on the destination machines. And moreover, Ansible is pretty straightforward to install and start working on it. You just have to do a passwordless SSH connection between your control machine and your destination machines. So to do that, what you have to do is you have to generate a public key and with SSH keygen, and copy that with SSH copy ID. Once you do that, you have to install the repo for EPL, and I'll show you. I have downloaded that. Here you can see the RPM, and you have just install this with this command. It is showing us that it is already installed, so we have EPL repo in this machine, and what we have to do is yum install Ansible -y. It is showing us that Ansible is already installed and at the latest version. So to check that we have Ansible working, what you have to do is do Ansible -- version. It will show us that all this information, that Ansible version, then is the config file, and all this versions, all these informations about Ansible. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this one.